In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can put a spoiler image on Discord mobile. So you can see I have a spoiler image here. If I click on it, you can see the image reveals itself. So how do you do this on mobile? Well, the first thing you need to do is to locate the file. So I'm going to go into my phone's gallery. Okay, so what we need to do is tap on the three vertical dots at the bottom right-hand corner to edit the photo. The process on an iPhone might be slightly different. You might need to save the photo as a new photo and then do the following steps. So I'm going to tap on the three vertical dots, then I'm going to tap on details. And right here where you can see the name of the image, what we need to do is we need to change the name. So I'm just going to tap on edit and then go to the name, go to right to the beginning. And what we need to do is we need to put in all capitals spoiler. So I'm going to type spoiler, and then we need to put an underscore, and then that's what we need to do with that, and then tap on save. So it says spoiler and then the name of the file. It can be named anything. So right now, if I go and share this photo in Discord, it should mark it as spoiler. So I can go back into Discord, upload the photo. So here's the photo right here. I'm going to tap on it and then upload it. So it's just uploading the photo real quick. And there you can see it says spoiler. You tap on it, it reveals the photo. So that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.